Hello everyone, this is TheaterCraft here. Welcome back to another tutorial. I recently told you guys how to make a Bukkit server, and I explained all the files and what they did and what everything was. But now you want to port forward your server so it will be joinable. Now, first of all, you want to open up your web browser. I use Google Chrome, and you might use Internet Explorer. It works for everything. And then, so you want to leave your web browser like this, and then you want to do the Windows button, and then press R, like that. And then you want to type in CMD. Okay, that's one way of doing it, but I like doing it another way. So I type it in from here because I have Windows 8, and you're going to open it up and you're going to type in ipconfig. So now you will see your IPv4 address, which is 912.168.1.10. But what's really important, and you want to know your default gateway. Mine is 192.168.1.1. And you want to remember these two numbers, your IPv4 address and your default gateway. Now, you can exit out of that once you've memorized it. And now you want to go to the bar up here. And then you want to type in your default gateway. Mine is 192.168.1.1, and you want to hit enter. And now it's going to bring up this login thing. Your username is admin, and your password is password by default. If your guardian or parent has changed it, or you have changed it yourself, you'll know. Go ask them and log in. Now, I use Netgear Genie, and if you use another type of internet, it will be different. Now, so you want to go to advanced, and you want to go to advanced setup, and you want to select port forwarding / port triggering. Okay, so now you want to press, so I already have port forwarded this, but let's delete it. So just for the sake of this tutorial. And then you want to press add custom service. And this should pop up. And there should be options for service type. You want to select TCP/UDP, or if you have a different type, select one of these. And you call it whatever you want, just something to remind you that it will be for your server. And you want to type in, and I just like typing in Bukkit server. And now for your external starting port, if you want to know that, you want to go to your server and go into your server.properties. Now you want to find this server port line, and it says 25565. Then you exit out of this, and you go back, and you type in 25565. And then you want to type in 25565 and 25565 right here. So now it will say your internal IP address. This will be your IPv4 address, as we discussed before. Mine is, the last digit is 10, so I'll just do that. And you want to press apply. Now, if you want to know your IP, you type in what is my IP.com. Now, it will show up this IP right here and IP right here. You want to copy that. And remember that IP like somewhere, which I'll just create a text document. So, server IP. And then you want to write that down in a notepad. So, paste it. That will be the IP to your server. Just remember that. Alright guys, that was the video. If you found this helpful, subscribe. And I'll see you guys.